Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics, grade 5. Hope my dear students you are fine. Our today's lesson is check my progress and we will do the remaining questions, that is in page number 919. First of all, open page number 919 regarding the fill in the blanks. Practice. Determine the number of congruent sides, then classify the triangle based on its side. How many sides of the triangles are congruent? You can see a triangle is given in your book. One side is 1.4 centimeter, other side is 2.7 centimeter, and the third side is 3.1 centimeter. We can see that the three sides are different. All are different. How many sides of the triangles are congruent? No side. So we will write 0 because all sides are different. In the given line, we will write 0. The triangle is a dashed triangle. The triangle is a scalene triangle. Why? Because all sides are different, right? Now come to the vocabulary check. Fill each blank with the correct term or number to complete each sentence. Number 2. An equilateral triangle is a triangle with dash congruent sides. 3 congruent sides. If 3 sides are congruent, then it is called equilateral triangle. Number 3. An acute triangle is a triangle with 3 angles each less than 90 degree. Because angle less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Such type of triangle in which 3 angles are acute are called acute triangle. Number 4. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with one angle that is greater than 90 degree. One angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. This is called obtuse angle, and the triangle having one angle is obtuse is called obtuse triangle. Right, my dear students? Now come to the next page. Check my progress. Vocabulary check. State whether each sentence is true or false. Some statements are given. You will use the knowledge of the today's lesson and the previous lesson, and you will select the sentence is true or false. Number 1. A triangle with no congruent side is a scalene triangle. True, because all the different sides, that is a scalene triangle. Number 2. A polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles is a pentagon. False, because pentagon having 5 sides. Number 2, you will write false, because 4 side is a quadrilateral, not a pentagon. Number 3, sides or angles with the same measure are congruent. True, because congruent are the equal. If the sides are equal, it is congruent. Angles are equal, they are also called congruent. Number 4, a right triangle is a triangle with 2 right angles. False, because a right triangle has 1 right angle, not two right angles. It is not possible in a right triangle. 2 angles can be 90 degrees. Next concept check. Name each polygon. Determine if it appears to be regular or not regular. Number 5. Pentagon check how many sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. The figure having 5 sides is called pentagon, and all sides are not equal, so we'll write it not regular. If all sides are equal, it will be regular. Okay, next number is 6. Octagon. Count the sides of this figure. There are 8 sides. Figure having 8 sides is called octagon, and all are of same size, so they are called regular octagon. Measure the side of each triangle to the nearest tenth a centimeter, then describe the number of congruent sides. Some triangles are given, we will measure and we will see they are congruent or not. Number 7, 3 sides are there, all are 1.5 centimeters. You can see in your book 3 sides, each side is 1.5 centimeter. In the given line, we will write our observation. The triangle has 3 congruent sides because 3 sides are equal. Next number is 8. Measure the triangle, sides of the triangle with the help of a scale. One side is 2.4 centimeter, other side is also 2.4 centimeter, third side is 3.4 centimeter. In the given line, we will write the triangle has 2 congruent sides because 2.4 and 2.4, 2 sides are same. Now in homework, my dear students, you will complete these pages, page number 990 and 921 as per our today's lesson. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Salam.